guys, Nick here, the Ford ST Vehicle Specialist for ModBargains. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the MBRP Cat Back Exhaust System for the Focus ST.
The MBRP Cat Back Exhaust System for the Focus ST is available in a variety of different grades and materials to suit your budget. This 3-inch Mandrel-Bent system means that your exhaust has maximum flow, and for more power, pair this with MBRP's 3-inch performance downpipe.
Available in a variety of materials to suit your budget and your taste, the MBRP Cat Back Exhaust for the Focus ST is a great choice for your Focus. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next time.